Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 13 and today I'll show you how to record screen on this device. And to get started we'll actually need to add the toggle to our control center. As you can see by default, by default it shouldn't be here. It is for me right here, so someone already added it. But I'll quickly show you where you can actually add the toggle. So you want to navigate into your settings, so right over here, and scroll down to your control center, and then you'll just kind of simulate the show like how it would look like normally. So you would just find the screen recorder somewhere in the toggles right here. As you can see, it should be somewhere at the bottom. Click on the plus button and there you go. It is now added and you can find it in your control center. Once you can find it here, click on the toggle to start the countdown from 3 and then it records. So whatever you will do right now will be obviously recorded by the device. Whatever applications you open will be recorded, minus things like Netflix. And yeah, so once you're done with the recording, you can simply go back here, click on it again to stop it. This will save it automatically to your Photos application. Open that up just so I can show you. And it is right over here. So there we go, that's the screen recording. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.